Hey, I'm Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and the KSC Bidding Consultant Program, where I teach cleaning business owners how to bid smart, how to win big, and build legacy. Now, I've survived 4 brain aneurysms, built a successful company from the ground up, and now I help others do the same. So if you're ready to grow, I've got the blueprint. Now, yesterday, I got a call I wasn't expecting. It was from an opportunity to service 2 restaurants. So I showed up. I did the walkthrough like I always do, professional, prepared, and on point. But what stopped me in my tracks was this. I asked the client, how did he find me? Now, I ask every opportunity, how did they find me? And they always say Google. But guess what he said? He said, I found you on ChatGPT. I asked who were the top 3 cleaning companies, and your name came up in the top 3. And out of the 2, I chose you, he said. Now, let me just pause right there. Now, I didn't pay for this lead. I didn't run an ad. I didn't know I was being searched, but I was ready when the opportunity called. See, this is what power of reputation, consistency, and showing up online looks like. My work, my presence, and my story are speaking even when I'm not in the room. So let's let this be a reminder to business owners. Keep showing up, keep being excellent, keep building your digital footprint, because you never know who's searching for you or who's about to choose you. Found me on ChatGPT, ranked in the top 3. He chose me. Now let that sink in. Talk to you guys on the next video.